Welcome to เจ้าพระยา Express Boat Red Flag Line ท่าเรือต่อไปไอคอนสยามผู้โดยสารสามารถเปลี่ยนเส้นทางไปเรือรับส่งไอคอนสยามได้ที่ท่าเรือนี้
Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Today we are gonna check out the new boat service here in Bangkok. It's Riva, and this is for the Icon Siam shuttle boat. It's free of charge. So we're gonna try out the new boat service here in Bangkok. It's Riva, it's that one. We'll see first. So that is the Riva Boat Express. It's air conditioned. So this is where you buy the tickets. 2 ที่ครับ And we are looking at Sapan Taksin. There's only one railway that crosses the river, and they have expansion projects that will put up 2 railways to make the BTS service much faster. And here is the ordinary hop-on hop-off boat. So this is the regular ordinary tourist boat, non-air conditioned. Then again, it starts its service from here at BTS Sathorn or the Central Pier. So now the boat is making its pivot turn to unload passengers. If you can see that building, that is 𝚂𝚏 Hotel, and that is where they actually had the helicopter scene for the Hangover Part 2 movie. And there it goes now. This is the regular hop-on hop-off boat, and we're gonna take this one, the red. This one is the new service they have. This is the red air-conditioned hop-on hop-off boat. They just started on July the 1st, and it's just about a week since they opened. This is the air-conditioned boat. It's called the Riva Express 2, and that was Riva. That was the non-air-conditioned boat. So the 30 baht is only for one ride. It means that if you get off, you'll be charged another 30 baht. So this sightseeing trip that we did is from Sathorn or Central Pier down to Bangkok. So that's $1. we're gonna try this air-conditioned boat. They also have like upper deck. You have to be careful when you cross. Okay, we can go upstairs. And this is what it looks like from inside. This is the Riva Express boat, the air-conditioned boat. So if you can see that Ferris wheel, that is the Asia Teak, another famous landmark here in Bangkok. So we're gonna check out the upper deck of the boat, just like the non-air conditioned one. So we're now about to go. So this is 𝚂𝚐𝚊𝚝. And now we're on our way to Bangkok.
Welcome to 𝚂𝚐𝚊𝚝 Express Boat, Red Flag Line ท่าเรือต่อไปไอคอนสยามผู้โดยสารสามารถเปลี่ยนเส้นทางไปเรือรับส่งไอคอนสยามได้ที่ท่าเรือนี้
And this is Icon Siam.
Icon Siam Change here for Icon Siam Shuttle Boat.
This is cool. That is Sapan Taksin or Taksin Bridge. There's totally nobody up here.
Icon Siam Icon Siam สำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นท่าเรือนี้กรุณาเตรียมตัวรอบริเวณด้านท้ายเรือ Icon Siam Icon Siam For passengers alighting here please stand by at the exit โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากเรือ Please mind the gap between the boat and the pier.
on this recently. We passed on the bridge. Now we are passing under the bridge. This is 𝚂𝚏𝒂𝒒 Bridge. And the nearby bridge is 𝚂𝚑 or the Memorial Bridge. This is 𝚂𝚏𝒂𝒒, and right up there is the Sky Park. And this is now 𝚂𝚑 or the Memorial Bridge. And between these two temples, this one with the white stupa and that temple there is a Catholic church. That is Santa Cruz Church right there. We are now at 𝚂𝚒𝒒𝒏𝒈𝒌𝒐𝒌
For passengers alighting here, please stand by at the exit. โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากเรือ Please mind the gap between the boat and the pier.
This is 𝚂𝚒𝒒𝒏𝒈𝒌𝒐𝒌. Here you can get to the flower market, or they call it in Thai 𝚂𝚒𝒐𝒌 𝚂𝚒 is like the mouth of the river, and it's a market is talat. So this is the flower market. ตลาดดอกไม้ไทย Thailand Flower Market. And the next stop is the Temple of Dawn right there. Wat Arun. And that is Santa Cruz Church. These are temples, Buddhist temples right there. And we are now approaching Wat Arun, or the Temple of Dawn. And here we've got a small but powerful tugboat. Look at that. Wavy. Oh man, look at that. Woohoo! That is a non-air conditioned boat. Looks cool. Look at the backdrop. Look at that. Those skyscrapers and Wat Arun Stupa. And now we are in front of the Grand Palace. This is the Grand Palace, guys.
For passengers alighting here, please stand by at the exit. โปรดใช้ความ
this is now ท่าวังหลัง ท่าวังหลัง Pier. They've also got lots of good food here. Tha Wang Lang, or they call it here Pranok Pier. So there are some passengers deboarding. And we continue on. Pranok. So we've got some passengers boarding again. Last minute passengers. You have to be careful when you board a boat. Mind the gap between the pier and the boat. There we are.
ท่าเรือต่อไปเทเวศ next pier เทเวศ
And we are now passing สะพานสมเด็จพระปิ่นเกล้า พระปิ่นเกล้า Bridge. And right in front of us is Rama VIII Bridge, สะพานพระราม 8. Oh, it gets wavy again. Woohoo! Look at that. Now we are passing under Rama VIII Bridge. This is one of the cable stayed bridges here in Bangkok. Magnificent structure.
For passengers alighting here, please stand by at the exit. โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากเรือ Please mind the gap between the boat and the pier.
Look at those tiny boats tugging these large cargo. And there they've got sand, I suppose, yeah? The other cargo there. is a BPP boat, BPP4 boat.
ท่าเรือต่อไปเกียรติกาย next pier เกียรติกาย
It says here, beware of hitting the bottom part of the bridge because it's quite low. ระวังเรือชนท้องสะพาน It means to beware of the bottom of the bridge. So you can get here to 𝚂𝒒𝒏𝒈 by boat or by the Blue Line MRT. And now we're very close to the Parliament building. It's almost finished. Almost, I guess. We got to get a glimpse of this on the SkyTrain, the Blue Line, from one of my old vlogs. So
ผู้โดยสารสามารถเปลี่ยนเส้นทางไปรถไฟฟ้า MRT สายสีน้ำเงินได้ที่ท่าเรือนี้เป็นท่าเรือปลายทางของเรือด่วนเจ้าพระยาธงแดงขอให้ท่านตรวจสอบสัมภาระก่อนขึ้นจากเรือด้วย Next pier บางโพ Change here for MRT Blue Line. This is the end of เจ้าพระยา Express boat. Red flag line. Please bring your personal belongings.
So we have finally arrived at 𝚂𝒒𝒏𝒈, which is the end of the boat service. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.